Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook and Bing Ad certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hi, Mr. Ali, any advice on upping clicks compared to impressions, or is this ratio normal? Budget is only $40 per day. Service-based business have refined keywords. Recent downtrend is because no ads run on weekend, and post weekend is lower either because change from manual CPC to maximize clicks or because of refined negative keywords and less unwanted clicks. Okay, so for your recent downward trend, uh, post weekend, I'm not sure it's why, because if it's a, yeah, if you change the bidding strategy, it may take some time for it to happen, and it can also, or your edits may going to review and your account may going to review, especially if it's a new one. So as well as because of refined negative keywords or less inverted clicks, if your conversions are fine, then you are good to go. You do not have to worry with this. But your question on any advice on upping clicks compared to impressions ratio. Okay, so you got 28 clicks. Let me see, and triple four impressions. Okay, okay. Let me see, 28 clicks and triple four impressions. So I can simply divide 28 by triple four multiplied by 100, and I'm going to get a 6.3% CTR. Okay, 6.3% CTR click through rate for compared to impression CTR. If you ask me, it's fine. I'm not sure of the keyword you are using, but it's a service based business. So, I have seen slightly upward trend on service based business or local campaigns when you're targeting a specific small area, small location, or near me keywords. I have seen more than 10% ratio of click through rate. So, keywords, I mean, the clicks can be increased. If you ask me if you want to retain this, yeah, it's fine. You can retain at this CTR click through rate as well, clicks to impression ratio, but definitely you can increase it. If you want to know how you can increase it, there are many things you can add. For instance, which I recommend you, this is a tool just to show you the ad preview. This is the regular ad which people see. I recommend people to add extensions to their ads which can increase the attention. For instance, if you add the price extension, you can see over here the ads get more interesting. If you add advertiser rating, if you add location extension, so you can see location, call extension, advertiser rating, these kind of ad extensions definitely help in increasing the clicks to impression ratio. Also, number one is improving or adding ad extensions. Okay, the second is organizing your Google Ads account structure. That is also very important. Account structure needs to be improved. That is a very important thing. Like your keyword. I recommend the people to have STAG or SKAG formula. People may, it's a single themed ad group or single keyword ad group where a themed of keywords have a same mindset. That keyword should have a same ad group. Or if you cannot differentiate between the intent of every keyword, then you need to come up with every keyword should have a different ad, because the intent is different. Someone searching buy iPhone and someone searching iPhone reviews both have a different mindset. Even someone searching iPhone deals, you know, I see that iPhone deals and buy iPhone, even both want to buy iPhone, but both have a different mindset. Why? Because the person searching iPhone deal want to get iPhone on deal and discount. He wants a freebie with him with the iPhone, and the buy iPhone wants to see the nearest location or the easiest ways to buy it online. So understand the intent is different. So if you can understand the intent, then you will come up with presenting the offer to the client accordingly. That is very important. So if your ad is having the single theme, you can, if you can understand the intent, then you can go with single themed ad groups. Otherwise, go with every keyword should have a different ad, and that is how you can maximize it, and that is how you can also increase your clicks to impression ratio, as well as you can generate more conversions for your ad through this as well. So I hope this answers your question. But in case if you need a professional help with optimizing your campaigns, setting up your Google Ads campaign, even any Google Ads disapprovals or management, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description, and we would love to work with you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.